Namaste, I am Javian Swarnima. Today we will discuss about types of contract. As we discussed previously, the types of contracts are six types. Now, the first one is lump sum contract. In this type of contract, the contractor offers to do whole work as shown in figure or drawings and described by specification for total stipulated sum of money. There are no individual rates quoted, thus it becomes difficult to make adjustment in contract value if any changes are to be made in work later on. The schedule of different items of work is not provided and contractor has to complete the work as per drawings and specification for agreed lump sum amount. The whole work is compared and checked with the drawings and specification before releasing the payment. In large projects, part payments are made to contractor at different stages of work on mutually agreed terms. In case of contractor stops work in between, he is not entitled for any further payment. Suitability of lump sum contract. It is more suitable for works for which contractor have prior construction experience, not suitable for difficult foundation excavation of uncertain character and project susceptible to unpredictable hazard and variations. There are some merits of lump sum contract is first one is the owner can decide whether to start or shelve the project knowing total lump sum price quoted by different contractor. Second is the contractors can earn more profit by in-depth planning and effective management at site. There are also demerits of lump sum contract. These are first one is before contract is awarded, the project has to be studied thoroughly and complete contract document has to be prepared in advance. The next of contract type is item rate contract, which is also known as sorry, but which is also known as schedule contract. In this contract, contractor undertakes the execution of work on an item rate basis. The the amount to be received by contractor depends upon the quality of various items of work actually executed. The payment to the contractor is made on basis of detailed measurement of different items of work actually done by him. Suitability of this contract type is most commonly used for all type of engineering work financed by public or government bodies. Second is suitable for work which can be split into various items and quantities under each item can be estimated with accuracy. There are some merits, which is first one is in this type of contract there is no need for detailed drawing at time of allotting contract. The detailed drawing can be prepared after contract is awarded. The second is the payment of contractor is made on actual work done by him at agreed rates. There are also demerits, which is first one is the total cost of work can only be known upon completion. Second is the additional staff is required to take detailed measurement of work done for realizing payment of contractor. Thank you.